40% of millionaires built their wealth by owning a business. And most of them are not running flashy tech startups or crypto empires. They're running boring, unsexy operations that nobody is posting about online. In fact, one of the most boring online businesses right now quietly pulled in over 2.5 trillion last year. And I'm talking about simple digital products, ebooks, templates, guides, the kind of stuff that a teenager could literally put together on a Sunday afternoon. And I personally sold over $30 million worth of them. And I know it sounds like I'm bragging, but let me be clear. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I used and how you can start building your own boring online business the exact same way, especially if you're a complete beginner right now or working a 9-to-5 job. But first, I need to break down exactly how these boring little files actually print money. Because once you understand the math, you'll finally be able to understand why something this simple can be so profitable. Now, here's the part that nobody ever explains properly. When you sell a physical product, like a t-shirt, a supplement, a watch, a pair of shoes, every sale ends up costing you money. Now, why is that? Because you have to actually buy the inventory, you have to ship it, you have to deal with returns, your margin is razor thin. Most physical product businesses keep 10 to 20 cents on every dollar, meaning a 10 to 20% profit margin. Now, digital products, they work completely differently because you make the product one time, you sell it an infinite number of times. There's no cost of goods. And every sale after the first one is almost pure profit, and usually the margin is 90% or more. So a $50 ebook sold 100 times puts $4,500 in your pocket. A $50 physical product sold 100 times, maybe $500 in profit after costs. Same number of sales, 10 times the profit. Now don't worry, I'm going to get into real examples in just a minute, but here's where it gets really, really interesting. And this is the part that most people completely miss. When you sell one digital product, you're making income. When you sell two, most people think you're making double the income. You're actually not. You're making 3 times the income, sometimes 4. Now here's why. The person who brought product 1 is the single easiest person on earth to sell product 2 to. You see, they already trust you. They already voted with their credit card by paying you, and they already consume your content online. And so when you offer them a second or third or fourth product, the same customer generally continues to buy. This is what the industry calls customer lifetime value. In plain English, one happy customer is worth a lot more than just one sale. So one digital product that's doing $3,000 a month is nice, but 3 digital products selling to overlapping audiences, they don't do $9,000 a month. They often do $15,000, $20,000, sometimes even $30,000 a month from the same work and the same content engine. Just more products on the shelf. And that's the game. This is why digital products can quietly make you a millionaire, because you're not just building income every single month. You're building a system where you're stacking products on top of one another, and every new product multiplies the one that came before it. So I know what you're thinking, Richard, math looks clean on a whiteboard, but what does this actually look like for a real beginner? Well, I wouldn't be making this video if it didn't. You see, over the last few years, I've watched more than 3,000 of my students run this exact playbook. Different ages, I'm talking college students, people working 9-to-5 jobs in their 20s, 30s, nurses, doctors, lawyers, engineers, literally people from all walks of life, different backgrounds, different starting points. So let me show you 3 of them. And I really hate talking about these numbers because I know how people are going to react. But bear with me, these are not my results, these are theirs. Let's talk about Matt. Matt works a full-time 9-to-5 job. He did $7,000 in 30 days selling a digital product, a PDF with some video modules, teaching people how to make more genuine relationships and friendships. That was literally the niche. Will used to drive Uber Eats and deliver groceries. He did $8,000 in 2 weeks selling a productivity guide. And Lila, this is one I want you to remember. 23 years old, graduate student, going to university, living in the dorm, no prior business experience. Started a brand new Instagram account from scratch. She never showed her face one time. She made faceless content just like this one right here. She made her first sale in under 55 followers, and by the time she had 125 followers, she made $1,000 in profit. By the time she had 900 followers, yes, 900 only, she did $12,000 in sales. In fact, on a single one day, she made $900 in a span of 7 minutes. Let that land. 900 followers. Most people's high school reunion group chat has more people than that. And she built a thriving business off of that. You see, none of these people invented anything. None of them built a tech company. None of them had some genius idea. They just simply sold digital products to people who wanted them. And the way they did it has a specific name. I call it AI product arbitrage. Sounds complicated and fancy. It's really not. So let me break down what AI product arbitrage is the simplest way that I can. Arbitrage is an old Wall Street word. It really just means buying something in one place and selling it somewhere else for a profit. That's all arbitrage means. And you already know the biggest arbitrage companies in the world. You just didn't realize that the concept is called arbitrage. Uber arbitrages cars. You see, they don't own millions of cars. Even though when you call an Uber, basically anywhere in the world, you can get an Uber ride, right? No. They just simply connect drivers with riders and then they take a cut. That's what arbitrage is. Airbnb arbitrages millions of homes. And no, they don't own a single property. They just connect hosts with guests. DoorDash arbitrages restaurants. They don't own restaurants. They don't cook a single meal themselves. None of these companies, in fact, make the actual product. They just connect people who have something with people who want something, and then they get paid for being a part of the middleman. That's what arbitrage means. AI product arbitrage is the exact same ideas applied to digital products. You do not create a product, you simply sell a proven digital product that somebody else already built for you, one that's already making sales, already has reviews, and is already converting buyers. And you can find these products on a marketplace where the product creator pays you a commission every time someone buys through your link, usually 50%, sometimes even as high as 85%. Think of it like being an affiliate on Amazon, except instead of earning 3% on selling a toaster, you're earning 60% on a $100 digital product, same amount of work, 20 times the payout. And the AI part, you're wondering, why is it AI product arbitrage? Well, use simple AI tools to create short videos that drive people to buy from your link. That means you don't show your face on camera if you don't want to. You don't have any editing skills. You don't need a website. You don't need any inventory. There's no customer service, and you don't spend anything on ads. This is the lowest friction way to start an online business that exists right now. And that's why beginners who start today can hit crazy numbers in their first month that most people working 9-to-5 jobs take a full year to earn. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in a real niche. Most beginners get this wrong before they even start. They try to pick a trending, sexy, brand new niche that nobody's ever heard of. They're thinking there's no competition, I'm going to take over the market. Completely wrong move. You see, the money is not in new niches. The money is in the boring, already proven niches that have been selling for the last 30 years. The ones where people pull out their wallets every single day, regardless of what is trending on the news. Let me give you a specific one. Nurses. Specifically, burnt out nurses who want out of their 12-hour hospital shifts. Stay with me, because this is the exact type of niche a beginner should be thinking about. There are 4 million registered nurses in the United States alone. That's not including anywhere else in the world. And it's one of the most stressful, high burnout careers on the planet. And a massive chunk of these nurses are actively searching for a way out. Traveling nurse, case management, medical writing, remote roles, anything but standing on their feet on the hospital floor, 12-hour shifts. That's the kind of audience that you want. And if you have a background as a nurse, even better, because now you can share from your personal story. Because a good niche checks 4 boxes. Number 1, a specific person. Not everyone who wants to make money online. No, a registered nurse. That's specific. 2, a real painful problem. Let me tell you a problem that nurses have. Burnout, 12-hour shifts, watching patients die on repeat. That's a real pain, and that's pretty loud, right? Number 3, they already spend money on solutions. Nurses drop billions of dollars a year on certifications, courses, career coaching. The habit of investing into their education is already built in. And number 4, they're easy to reach online. There are hundreds of nurse influencers on Instagram and TikTok. Literally, go to your search bar on Instagram, type in nurse, hit enter. Look at how many videos come up with nurses. And that's doctors, nurse practitioners, dentists, thousands of Facebook groups, massive Reddit community, 4 boxes, all checked. Great, so now let's build a business. Product is a step-by-step digital guide on how to transition from a bedside nurse to a remote, higher-paying nursing role. Travel nursing, case management, clinical research, medical writing, nothing new, nothing original, just packaged with simple templates, scripts, and interview questions included. Let's price that at $97. That price works because it's not so cheap that people dismiss it as, it's just a $7 thing. It's going to be super cheap and not quality. But also, it's not so expensive that they have to overthink about it for the next 2 weeks. For a burnt out nurse making 70 grand a year, 80 grand a year, who wants a better opportunity, 97 is an impulse buy. So here's the part that matters. You do not need to make this product. You simply need to find an already existing digital product and you arbitrage that product. Remember, what Uber does and what Airbnb does, that's what we're going to do with a digital product. And then you promote simple AI-generated short videos and you collect a commission check every time someone buys through your link. So let's run the numbers. You find a proven nurse transition guide, priced at $97. It pays you 60% commission, that's $58 per sale. Notice what you don't need. You do not need a website, you do not need ads, and you don't need to show your face. You don't even need any technical skills. All you do is post short 7 to 10 second videos on Instagram or TikTok pointing nurses to your link in bio. And let's say you post 1 video a day for the next 30 days. Most of them get a few hundred views, some of them get a few thousand views, and 1 or 2 pop off and they get 10,000 views plus, which happens a lot more often than you think. Because right now, Instagram is actually actively boosting brand new accounts. So across 30 videos, let's say you generate on average 1,000 views a video, which ends up being 30,000 views over 30 videos. And that's conservative. Now, out of these 30,000 people, about 1% of them click your link. That's 300 clicks. And out of those 300 people, 5% buy. That's 15 sales. And 15 sales at $58 each is $870. And that's just month 1 as a complete beginner. with 0 followers on day 1, with no product of your own, with videos filmed from your phone. Now, is $870 life-changing money? Honestly, not really. But this is the part that most people miss. Month 1 is not where most of the business lives. Month 1 is where you learn the game. Any money made you should be grateful for because you're just getting paid to learn. By month 2, 3, 4, same niche, same product, more content, better hooks, those numbers compound exactly the way that they did for Lila. Remember how she did $1,000 with 125 followers and $12,000 by 900 followers? That's not theory. That's a realistic curve for somebody who treats this like a real business instead of a lottery ticket. And by the way, you don't have to stack multiple products to win. You can be perfectly fine making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month from this one small nurse setup that takes you 30 minutes a day to run. But if you do want to stack, this is where the math from the start comes back, and it's a lot more powerful than most people realize. Let's stay with the nurse example. You start with the $97 transition guide. That's product number 1. Let's say 30 nurses buy it and you make $58 in commission, which roughly puts you at about $1,700 in profit. But here's what you learn fast. Those 30 nurses don't just want to transition out of being bedside nursing, they actually have way bigger problems, much bigger. Problems that they'll happily pay you money to solve. So then you offer them product number 2, a $297 guide on how to pass the travel nursing interview and land the highest paying contracts. Out of those 30 buyers, maybe 10 of them take that second product. That's a 60% commission product. That's another $1,780. And then product number 3, a $497 resume and negotiation package that helps them land $10,000 a month case management roles. Maybe 5 of those buyers grab it. It's another $1,500 in profit. So you didn't find 30 new customers for every individual product. You sold 3 products and offered them to the exact same 30 people. Now look at the math here. Product 1 by itself does $1,700 a month, but stacked properly, those same 30 nurses are now generating over $5,000 a month on the exact same content, same audience, and 0 extra effort behind building the stack one time. That's what the multiplier is. It's not 3x, closer to 3x on one product, plus you keep earning on products 2 and product 3 every single month without needing to find new people. And this is not some clever marketing trick. This is just how buying works. So now that you understand the concept, in this case, we're using a nursing product, you might be wondering, well, I don't want to make this product. So where exactly do I find products like these? I'll tell you, there are a bunch of really high quality product marketplaces out there. The one that my clients and I personally use is the Allen Marketplace. If you go over to allen.store, you see on this website, there are dozens of high quality products that pay you 50%, 60, some even 85% plus in commissions. Let's take a look at this product here. It's a productivity course and it pays over $170 in profit on every single sale. Chances are you'll find a nursing product, you'll find marriage counseling product, you'll find business coaching products, literally any product that you can imagine, there's probably a product there. So feel free to check that out after you're done with this video. Think about it in your own life. When you find a brand that you trust, let's say you just joined a gym that you really like, or your favorite coffee shop, or you go to Amazon, you buy something, you don't just buy one thing and then you disappear from the platform forever. No, you keep coming back. You spend more, not less. And the longer you trust them, the more you end up buying. Your customers do the exact same thing. If your first product actually solves their problem, they will buy the second one and the third one from you. That's not theory, that's human behavior. Inertia states that objects that are in motion tend to stay in motion. And I like to say that buyers that are buying tend to continue buying. And that's how people quietly build $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 a month businesses from their bedroom, not from one genius idea, not from chasing new audiences or new audience followers every single month, just from stacking offers inside of a single niche where the buyers already trust them. This is why I call digital products the most boring business model in the world. The entire thing is find a niche with real problems, give them the proven solution, and then give them the next one. And then the next one after that. It's not sexy. It's not complicated. This isn't going to win you some Nobel Prize and is not sending rockets up into the moon. It's just a simple process that works. Now, let me be straight with you. This business is not for everyone. If you're looking for entertainment or you're just chasing the next viral overnight flex, this is not for you. You'd be better off chasing whatever is trending this week. But if you're the type of person who can do something simple, repeat it, and let it compound, this is one of the best opportunities I've ever seen in the last 8 years of my business career doing this. So here's what I want you to do. First, drop me what your niche is in the comments. The one that you're thinking about entering, the one that you've been too scared to try. And I'll tell you straight up whether it's dead, whether it's oversaturated, or whether it's a goldmine of opportunity that you don't even realize you're sitting on. I read all of my comments and I absolutely love helping you guys out. Second, if you want the full step-by-step playbook I put together a full masterclass training here on YouTube that goes way deeper than a simple 9-10 minute video ever could. It walks you through exactly how to find the right product to arbitrage, how to set up the right content engine so it runs without you. And if you're wondering, well, Richard, I have so many other questions. Like, nowhere in this video did you actually have time to go over where do you actually find the product? Where is a marketplace I could find high converting products? I'll tell you, I don't have enough time in this video. What I want you to do is, if you want to know the exact system that my top students like Lila, Matt, and Will, that they use to go from zero to real income, this masterclass is going to be the first link in the description, and it's going to be right here on the screen as well. So click it, watch it before you do anything else, because the #1 mistake that beginners make is not picking the wrong niche. It's trying to figure this out alone. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell, because I make videos like this literally every single week, and I've got a lot more coming. So I'll see you in the next one.